Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a cleaning video, of course, and it's also going to be a collab with my sweet friend Amanda from her channel This Crazy Life. We're both going to be bringing you a new house cleaning routine, so go ahead and make sure you check out her video after you leave here. I will leave the link down in the description to her channel and the link to her video. I'm sure you guys will love her channel. She does cleaning, cooking, she does lots of grocery hauls, which are my favorite videos of hers. So make sure you check her out when you leave here and subscribe to her channel because you will really enjoy it. And if you're coming over from Amanda's channel, hello, my name is Mackenzie and I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family as well. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. I like to go ahead and start my cleaning routines opening up all the blinds in the house. That way it's super bright and gets me in the mood to clean. And then usually I start in my kitchen and I always wash my dishes first. As you can see, I'm still using my Mrs. Meyer's peppermint scent from Christmas on my dish detergent, but I will say that I'm going back to Dawn afterwards because Alex really doesn't like the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap. So that's okay with me. Dawn works just as well. I guess I'll just have to stick with my Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray. I will be using that in the sink here in just a second. After I get done with my dishes, usually I'll just go ahead and wipe down my counters, clean them off, and I always use my Method Granite Cleaner, of course. It's the only granite cleaner that I've ever found that doesn't leave a sticky residue behind.
Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far away, but I will stay because I feel again, I feel again. Oh,
Now I'm just going to go ahead and clean off my table with the Method wood cleaner, and you'll see me start laughing because Alex walked in after this. He had been cleaning my car and he walked in and he just started laughing and shaking his head because he saw the tripod watching me clean. He thinks it's so funny that I film all the time when I'm cleaning.
we never quite could forget, 'cause what we got.
And then right here I'm just taking out the trash, and let me know, we go through a trash bag a day. What about you guys? Do you go through one every day or do you just go through one every couple days? I feel like every day Alex is going to the trash dump to take off the trash. Now I'm just going to go ahead and clean up my living room, and if you see my coffee table and my end table, I just recently had these made and I have been loving them. We went so long without a coffee table or end table, and I finally just said, hey, I'm getting one made like I want and I'm not waiting any longer. I was just putting it off and putting it off.
There's no use in looking back. Gotta laugh or gotta live, 'cause I'm so over the past and I'm living it fast. Underneath the strobe lights, ready for a crazy night. I can hear your heartbeat banging loud like a drum. Let me be your only one.
Now I'm just going in and vacuuming with my Dyson. This is the Dyson V6 Animal. I talk about it in most of my cleaning videos. I will leave a link down to it below. I think it's actually went on sale since I purchased mine. I got mine on Amazon Prime Day, so I got a pretty good deal on it. And look here, I still have not done anything with this table. I just don't know what to do. You guys can leave me more suggestions, but I just don't know. And then today I'm using this new product to clean my bathtub, the Clorox Toilet Wands, the Clorox Power Bathroom Cleaner, the Mrs. Meyer's Tub and Tile Cleaner, the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner, the Method Anti-Bac, and the Method Daily Granite. This is all to clean my bathrooms. I will say I do like this new cleaning tool. I'll leave a link down in the description so you guys can check it out. I got it at Target, but I did not have to strain my back as much, and honestly it works really, really well. Better than I thought it would.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words?
Thank you guys so much for watching another cleaning video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video before you leave. And also don't forget to check out Miss Amanda's video as well. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!